So, what's up mga kailyan? Papunta na kami ngayon ng Dingalan Aurora and time check is 4:07. So, shout out daw sa mga kasama ko sa likod. Yun, no. Si JD, Mark, and JB. Tapos yung nasa likod, si Harvey. So guys, shout out din sa nag-accommodate nito. And very thank you na natuloy yung swimming namin ngayon. Bye-bye. Kita-kits ulit mamaya.
So after 2 hours, nag-stop po kami dito sa isang karinderya, Liza's Annex, to have our breakfast. Kasi it's 5 AM.
So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa yung tawag dito, hindi ko alam, pero ang ganda guys, solid, promise. So ngayon, magre-register muna kami, tapos pupunta kami doon sa kabila, sa South China Sea. Hindi ko alam kung saan yun, pero pupunta kami daw kaming falls. So kita-kita tayo mamaya guys doon sa falls, kasi maganda daw doon, promise. Sabi nila, according to science daw, nandito daw kami ngayon sa...
Hindi ba according to geography?
Hindi ko alam sorry. Pero nandito daw kami ngayon sa Pacific Ocean. Hindi ko alam kung saan dito banda, pero ito daw yun, ito daw. So mamaya tingnan natin kung saan banda. Bye! So, yung South China Sea pala guys, nasa kabila lang, dun, basta dun. Hindi ko alam kung saan banda, pero dun. Bye-bye!
So guys, we're here at the Pacific Ocean, and the other side of the sea is the South China Sea. And let's see. Oh my god, guys.
King Bagyo.
Ay, nakadidete sa Dingalan Aurora, Tanawan Falls. clear but it's too deep.
All summer and after fall, I'll keep you warm. All summer and after fall,
Kasano JD? Ito na po. Kasano po? Swimming sa falls, babalik na po kami para kumain, and then we're going to the beach. Like, beach. Yes, we're going to dun sa kanina, Pacific Ocean, and the other side of that is South China Sea. Yeah, exactly, Pacific Ocean. Hi. Let's go. Nakikita niyo po ba yun? Doon po kami magsiswimming mamaya. Yes! Picture taking po muna kami dito sa malaking bato.
Ay, racing!
wow. Wow, patalunan na lang oh.
Ah, grabe guys. Worth it. Diyan po kami magsiswimming. And that is the Pacific Ocean. And the other side is the South China Sea. This is legit, guys. So after trekking, may swimming pool po dito which is 10 pesos per person. Nakikita niyo po ba yon?
Dahil tumalim siya, dahil matapang siya, ayan, awarding.
So he's our tour guide, guys. And this is the second tour guide again.
Wow, galing mo, no? Ito yung tagaluto namin
The
dito sa
couple.
katabi ko.
Then, yes.
Chef cook namin to, chef. Ay,
Yes,
YouTube.
So, andito na po kami sa beach. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. So, ayan, panoorin natin mag-vlog kung paano mag-vlog ang isang beginner.
Dito kami ngayon.
Yes. So, ipapakita ko po kung ano ang talent ni Jevy. Tapos makilikili mo.
Yay! Wala po! Malinis yan!
Yes. Napakaputi po. Hindi po siya nagsishave. Wala po talaga
Kahit
siyang
na
buhok.
malinis kung talo, di ba?
Saan nga eh? Malinis na pero talo yung GS.
Eh, tuloy, maker siya ngayon.
Talo yung GS! Pero mataya sila, Raptors! Mataya!
Ano ba tayo dun?
What the fuck? That game?
Super clean.
In-enjoy nila lahat yung GS.
Ano hindi ah? Bago pa lang ang finals, injured na si KD.
Si Mama enjoy rin si ano, next.
Ikaw ay wala.
Leonard.
Matibay yun. Unggoy yun eh. Parang Lebron yun. Basta mga unggoy. Wala sila.
Ano po masasabi niyo, Master?
Wala. Pagod na ako. Nakakatalon ka.
Kakatalon! Once pa lang po itong...
Tumalon, nakakapagod yun. Yun ang masasabi ko. Shout out kay...
Sige, sige.
Shout out sa you.
Talagang Pilipina eh.
At guys, walang gin. Ang gin kaya mo, ma.
Into the midnight zone. Let's go round and round in your mind. Restless heart. Sleep alone tonight. Setting on my love along the wide. Say that the road sino galit, sumigaw ngayong gabi. Hallelujah, hallelujah,
kayang mag-charge dito, oh.
When the smoke is going down.
So guys, tapos na po kaming mag-enjoy. So I didn't got too much footages dito sa beach kasi nag-enjoy na kami. But as in po, hanggang dyan, hindi siya ganun kalalim. Pero paglalangoyin mi doon, banda, sobrang drop na siya. So it was so deep na hindi namin kayang sisirin kasi it was so scary because it was dark. Kasi wala naman kaming flashlight for underwater. So, peace. Bye! So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And hopefully, to you guys, PM me kung gusto nyong makasama ng mga travel vlogs ko. Bye! And oh, by the way, and thank you po kay Ate Jessica, especially to the Arzane Travel and Tours because they were the one who accommodated us and helped us in achieving our travel goals this summer. Love you guys! Please subscribe!
Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Faithfully.